You can hijack the Web3 provider for any decentralized application viewable on an IPFS gateway, and you can use this mechanism to debug it. I used Mark's Factory to build a debugger for dApps. This is the debugger component, and these are two different decentralized applications loaded in iframes. Each of them is included in a wrapper called Jack that can inject a custom Web3 provider. So any EVM call or transaction that happens in the dApp can be run on the injected provider or on our JavaScript virtual machine, or as a hijack. See our previous hijack video for more information on how and why you can hijack the Web3 provider, and we can also run the dApps calls and transactions in our debugger. So we choose debugger here and debug all, and we can debug the get vendor call. We get the result and all the execution steps, which are 148. And we can browse them, check the memory and storage and logs, and so on. Now we can go to the other decentralized application and debug. And if the applications have linked functionality, this back and forth is quite useful. So here we have loaded the Uniswap dApp, and we are doing a simple swap from Ether to wrapped Ether. We select the debugger and debug once transaction, so we only catch the swap transaction. And now if we check the opcodes, we have 127 steps. And you can see more information about our debugger in previous videos. So we have seen how you can hijack or debug transactions from one or multiple dApps in production on IPFS. Next videos we will see other surprising uses of Jack.